be opening a package that is called that looks like me.com.
That's how they brought it to you with your picture on it.
Yeah, even this. All the signs.
Let's look at it. That looks like me.com. It's beautiful.
Now let's open it.
All right. Oh. It says design. Let's read it. Designed by Maria.
Designed by Maria.
Oh.
I can do it.
I can do
anything.
Yes.
Let's open it.
That's awesome. Now let's look inside. What's inside the box? Oh, a glitter journal set. Minnie Mouse. Awesome. Now let's see what else is in here.
Whoa! I am smart.
Yes. I love this.
Ooh, nail polish. There's a big nail polishes, y'all. Treat. What's that say? Treat
Yourself.
yourself.
You put your nail polishes inside.
Ooh, some hand sanitizer. I could use one in my video right now. Just kidding. I need to finish my video. Ooh, a unicorn sparkly.
Hair scrunchie.
And a scrunchy headband. Ooh,
Nice.
with all colors. A gray headband?
Nice.
Ooh, what? Stickers and a pen. This day, couldn't get any better. Ooh, what is that?
It's a gel mask and scrub.
Wait, I'm
You
too
scrub
little
this?
for that. Oh, a scrub mask. That's so thoughtful of Jasmine.
It is so thoughtful of her. All right, no worries. Mommy can use it.
Whoa.
Ooh, now what's that? Oh my gosh! It's beautiful.
Oh,
It's a vest, a winter vest with African print on it, with hair like yours and beads like yours, and it has a P on the front for her. Look at the back. Look at her hair. Look at your hair. Look at it. Do you like it?
I like it. I just,
What do you want to say to Jasmine?
thank you.
Turn around. Look at the camera. What do you say?
Thank you.
You love it, right?
I love it. That looks like me. Promise you are everything. You are beautiful. You are made to be special. Made to stand apart from the crowd. Anything that you set your mind to can and will be yours if you just believe in yourself. You are uniquely gifted. No one else in the world can you exactly what you do in exactly the way you do it. And girl, that is pretty amazing. Your skin is generous.
Gorgeous.
Is gorgeous. Your skin is a gorgeous shade of brown. It sparkles like gold. Remember, words have power. Use them wisely, especially when especially when speaking about yourself. You are fearless. You are inquisitive. And okay, with being so there is only one you. Love, Jazzy.